Guys, this is something epic. This is Quickscoper Fool. We just had an explosion outside of our house. And in just a sec, I'm about to show y'all what's going on right now. So, y'all just hold on one sec. Let me get my shoes on and stuff. This is what is left of the explosion and what happened. So, we don't know what happened, if this was purposely if this was a purpose explosion, or if something bad happened, or the car just blew up on accident. We don't know what happened. And it's just wild. Don't know what's happening. You can't really see it, but man, it did get blown up. Nothing like this has ever happened at our house before, so this is a little new for us. Jesus Christ. Nothing like this has ever happened before. Nothing like this has ever happened before, like I said again. We got a police officer down here, and I'm about to go ask him. I might chicken out.
You should have got it.
I know, I got out too. Yeah, I'm chickening out. I'm not gonna do it. But this is what's left of the car that exploded. It was a car that exploded. God, I'm glad I wasn't taking out the trash.
You can see where I parked.
We're still trying to figure out what happened, but we don't know so far. Once they get the hood off, that's when they'll probably be able to tell us what happened. God, I can't believe this just happened. look at that steam. It looks like it's just still getting put out. Everyone's okay. Jesus. But the ground. There's our car over there, red one. Everyone's okay. Didn't look like any debris went out. No debris. So this is like pretty wild outside. This is like I know y'all are probably getting tired of me saying this, but this has never happened. I mean, someone was purposely doing this. And that is going to totally suck because we might probably have to move. Y'all could smell it right now. It smells like someone was smoking a gigantic cigarette. Look at that dude. It's hopping like the Easter Bunny. Huh. Jumping. But no one is hurt. Everyone's safe. Nothing bad has happened except for the car explosion. And we're fine. Yeah, so no one got hurt. It's just scary. What?
When did you come out?
I came out right after the lady up there came out.
Like, was that like, what happened? Wow.
We just heard a big boom.
Yeah, me too.
And then my mom and I, we were watching a TV show, Supernatural, and we just heard something, and I was like,
Supernatural.
I was like, I ran into the bathroom. I was scared, and then I heard voices coming out. Like I heard her, and so I grabbed an iPod. And I was scared. So what are your thoughts on the explosion exactly?
Nah, don't even feel me. That's crazy. Catch that smoke.
Yeah, I got